Hi everyone, this is Zan again, Tax Director of YYC Group, and I'm again standing right here in the YYC HQ telling you the latest updates from the Budget 2019, which was just announced not long ago. Now, for SME, small medium enterprise, it's very obvious some advantage, some benefit has been given to small medium enterprise because we see a tax reduction in terms of income tax rate. From 18%, it's now dropped to 17% for the first 500,000 chargeable income. So what we are seeing right now is a potential savings of up to 5,000 ringgit, right? Because there is a 1% reduction in the tax rate. So a 500,000 chargeable income would give you a 5,000 ringgit tax savings. Now, apart from this, many would not know that actually there is also another special programs that has been proposed by the government, and that is called the Special Voluntary Disclosure Program. What is this program all about? It's to tell you that if you know that you have underpaid your tax or underdeclared your income, it's the best time now for you to come forward, tell the tax authority that you have underdeclared your income, underpaid your tax. Now, if you have underdeclared your income or underpaid your tax, and if it was found out by the tax authority during audit, you would have to pay a 45% penalty for this underpaid tax. However, if you go forward and tell the tax authority now, and if you disclose it before 31st March 2019, this penalty of 45% would be reduced to only 10%. But if you have missed this date, if you've missed the 31st March 2019, if you still go forward and disclose that you have underpaid your tax by 30th June 2019, the penalty could also be reduced to 15%, slightly more than the previous one. However, if you also miss this date, if you miss 30th June 2019, you are potentially seeing a penalty of 80% up to 300% if the Inland Revenue Board discovered that you have underpaid your tax. So this is the best time for you to go forward and make things right again. Now, apart from income tax, when it comes to real property gains tax, there is also a major change. For those companies who have owned real properties for more than 5 years, if you dispose it right now, you are still potentially paying only 5% real property gains tax on your gains. But from next year onwards, this property held for more than 5 years would attract a 10% real property gains tax already. So if you have any property that you would like to dispose of, probably you want to do it this year. And even for individuals, we know that any properties held for more than 5 years, if you dispose it after it was held for them 5 years, you don't have to pay real property gains tax. But now this real property gains tax has been changed to 5%, which means, say if you hold a property for more than 30 years and you dispose it right now, you still have to pay 5% real property gains tax on the gain that you have made. Now, these of course would increase the cost of doing business when it comes to the sale of your property. And having said that, stamp duty has also been revised. The stamp duty rate has now increased to 4% for value of your property that is more than 1 million. So previously, we are seeing only a maximum of 3% on stamp duty for transactions value even if it's more than 1 million. But now the stamp duty rate has increased from 3% to 4% for value of real property of more than 1 million ringgit. Now, despite saying all this increase in the cost of doing business, not forgetting this Budget 2019 also gives some potential tax savings to corporate, and that is relating to PT/PTN loan. If you ever have any employees who work with you and if they still have PT/PTN loan of which they have not paid, it's now the best time for you to pay the PT/PTN loan on behalf of your employees. Why? Because you could get tax deduction for repayment of PT/PTN loan on behalf of your employees. This would not just help you to save your tax, It also helps you to retain talent of your employee, right? You could retain potential talent or good employees with you by putting in this extra benefit given to your employees. Now, if you would like to know more about how to make good use of all the tax benefits and the new proposals from this budget 2019, stay tuned to our YYC Facebook, because we are going to announce when will be our budget seminar. Stay tuned to our YYC Facebook page. Do join our YYC budget seminar, and we will teach you more on how to make good use of the new budget proposals. I'll see you then. Thank you.